1. 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $24,900, located Grand Rapids, Michigan. This 1973 Chevrolet Nova SS is a classic American muscle car that offers a combination of vintage styling, upgraded performance, and everyday drivability. Powered by a built 350 cubic inch V8 engine that has been bored out and fitted with larger pistons, performance spark plugs, upgraded ignition wires, and a performance camshaft, this Nova delivers impressive power and a strong exhaust note. The engine is paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission featuring a Hurst shifter, creating an engaging driving experience for enthusiasts. The striking purple exterior is complemented by a clean black interior that has been recently updated. Inside, the vehicle features a new interior package along with an upgraded retro-style radio equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and a full subwoofer sound system. With 129,000 miles showing on the odometer, this Nova remains in very good condition and carries a clean title. Additional upgrades include a full exhaust system, headers, and a new front suspension kit. This well-maintained Nova SS is an excellent choice for collectors seeking a powerful and eye-catching classic Chevrolet. 2. 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price, $21,000, located Lancaster, Ohio. This 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a serious street and strip machine built for enthusiasts who appreciate big block power and classic American styling. Under the hood is a massive 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine designed to run on pump gas while delivering impressive horsepower and torque. Performance upgrades include a Proform 850 carburetor, NX nitrous system, solid roller camshaft with approximately 0.600 lift, steel cylinder heads, and an MSD ignition system for dependable spark and performance. The power is transferred through a TH400 automatic transmission equipped with a Pro brake and a 5500 stall converter, providing strong launches and excellent acceleration. A durable 12-bolt rear end with aggressive 4.56 gears helps maximize performance both on the street and at the drag strip. Finished in silver with a black interior, this Monte Carlo has accumulated approximately 65,000 miles. The vehicle represents a powerful classic muscle car with proven performance components and a strong foundation. It is also available for trade consideration involving drag cars or pro street vehicles. 3. 1960 Ford Pro Street Thunderbird. Price, $34,000, located Findlay, Ohio. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird Pro Street is a unique custom build that combines classic Ford styling with serious hot rod performance. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine that has been strategically set back in the chassis to accommodate the oil pan configuration and improve weight distribution. The engine features a performance camshaft and is topped with a massive 671 supercharger fed by two brand new AED 750 blower carburetors. Backing the engine is a turbo 350 automatic transmission paired with a 3200 stall converter. The car also features a narrowed rear section with a Ford 9-inch rear end and a professionally tubbed chassis. New Mickey Thompson rear tires provide an aggressive stance and excellent traction. The white exterior is complemented by a custom black interior that remains in very nice condition. Additional highlights include new dashboard gauges, relatively fresh paint, and strong running characteristics. While the vehicle could benefit from minor front suspension attention, it remains an eye-catching pro street machine that stands out at any cruise night or car show. 4. 1974 Plymouth Scamp. Price, $19,750, located Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1974 Plymouth Scamp is an old-school pro street build that delivers classic Mopar performance and unmistakable street presence. Under the hood is a powerful 440 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads and a recently installed 871 BDS supercharger. The combination is designed for reliable street driving while operating on premium pump gasoline. A durable 727 automatic transmission handles power delivery with confidence. The car has been mini-tubbed and fitted with massive 325 rear tires, giving it an aggressive appearance and improved traction. The subframes have been professionally tied together for added chassis strength, while both the engine and transmission are reported to be in excellent operating condition. Finished in highly metallic gold paint with a brown interior, this Scamp features a rust-free body and frame. The chrome bumpers remain in excellent condition, and the paint retains a straight and glossy appearance. With only a few cosmetic imperfections around the vinyl roof area, this Plymouth remains a tremendous value and a true attention-getter wherever it goes. 5. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $54,000, located Braidwood, Illinois. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is an impressive pro-street build that combines classic muscle car styling with modern high-performance upgrades. Equipped with desirable SS trim, the vehicle is powered by a massive 462 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Dyer's 671 supercharger. The result is outstanding horsepower, instant throttle response, and the unmistakable appearance of a serious street machine. Power is transferred through a professionally built JW Turbo 400 automatic transmission and a heavy-duty Fab 9 rear end designed to handle substantial power. The chassis features a 4-link rear suspension system, power steering, and 4-wheel power disc brakes, creating a combination of performance, drivability, and stopping power. Finished in green with a black interior, this Nova maintains much of its original style inside while benefiting from extensive mechanical upgrades underneath. The vehicle also features newer tires and has remained with the same owner for approximately 25 years. This long-term ownership history reflects the care and attention invested in preserving and improving this impressive Chevrolet muscle car. 6. 1967 Buick Skylark Grand Sport Coupe 2D. Price, $55,000, located Bradley, Illinois. This 1967 Buick Skylark Grand Sport is a highly customized performance machine built to deliver exceptional power both on the street and at the drag strip. Under the hood sits a professionally built 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine running on M1 methanol fuel. The powerful combination is matched to a fully prepared Powerglide transmission, creating a drivetrain capable of handling serious horsepower and competition use. The vehicle features a heavy-duty Fab 9 rear end equipped with strange internals for durability and reliability under demanding conditions. Additional performance upgrades include S&W wheelie bars, MSD ignition components, speedwire electrical upgrades, and lightweight fiberglass panels supplied by ProGlass and Glasstick. The car rides on Mickey Thompson Pro 5 wheels and performance tires that complement its aggressive stance. With only approximately 300 miles since completion, this Buick represents a fresh build with extensive modifications throughout. Finished in blue, the vehicle stands out with its unique combination of classic Buick styling and modern race-inspired engineering. It is a rare build that offers exceptional performance and individuality. 7. 1963 Split-Window Corvette. Price, $70,000, located Church Hill, Tennessee. This 1963 split-window Corvette is an extraordinary race-ready machine built with premium components throughout. One of the most iconic Corvette body styles ever produced, this example has been transformed into a highly competitive drag racing vehicle while retaining its unmistakable appearance. The chassis features a double-frame rail design and carries a current NHRA certification, demonstrating the quality of its construction. Power comes from a massive 598 cubic inch Merlin block engine equipped with Dart cylinder heads, a Dart tunnel ram intake, Bryant crankshaft, JE nitrous pistons, and dual quick fuel carburetors. The engine is supported by both a dual-plate nitrous system and a fogger system from Induction Solutions, creating enormous horsepower potential. The drivetrain includes a professionally built Powerglide transmission and a Mark Williams rear end with 4.30 gears. Additional highlights include 4-link suspension, aerospace disc brakes, dual parachutes, digital data logging equipment, and extensive MSD electronics. This Corvette is a professionally engineered race car capable of delivering outstanding performance and reliability. 8. 1973 Plymouth Duster Pro Street. Price, $30,000, located Church Hill, Tennessee. This 1973 Plymouth Duster Pro Street is an attention-grabbing Mopar that combines aggressive styling with serious street and strip performance. Finished in plum crazy purple with a metallic pearl stripe, the car immediately captures attention wherever it appears. The bold exterior is backed by a freshly built 413 cubic inch stroker engine producing substantial power and torque for spirited driving. The drivetrain features a fresh automatic transmission equipped with a cheetah shifter, trans brake, Kevlar safety blanket, line lock system, and a high stall converter. A Dana rear end with 5.56 gears and strange axles ensures dependable power delivery under demanding conditions. The chassis has been fully tubbed to accommodate massive 33-inch rear tires, creating the classic pro street appearance enthusiasts admire. Additional upgrades include Willwood disc brakes, new Kirky racing seats, and extensive supporting modifications documented through detailed records and receipts. The car has not been raced since the completion of the latest build, making it an exciting opportunity for collectors and performance enthusiasts seeking a unique and powerful Plymouth. 9. 1983 Chevrolet Malibu Limited. Price, $15,000, located Alexandria, Kentucky. This 1983 Chevrolet Malibu Limited is a freshly built performance car designed to provide exciting street and drag strip capability. At the heart of the build is a 6.0-liter LS engine equipped with LS1 cylinder heads and a Summit Stage 4 camshaft. Fuel delivery is handled by a 750 brawler carburetor, while an MSD ignition system helps ensure dependable performance and strong spark energy. For additional horsepower potential, the vehicle is equipped with an NX nitrous system, nitrous controller, and supporting components. Power is delivered through a proven TH400 automatic transmission connected to a quick performance rear end and aluminum driveshaft. The suspension features strange front components and Viking adjustable shocks at all four corners, providing improved handling and traction. Finished in black with a burgundy interior, this Malibu combines classic G body styling with modern performance upgrades. The seller reports that the car has made only 2 passes since the completion of the build and has never used the nitrous system. It represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-enjoy performance vehicle. 10. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $23,000, located Waynesville, North Carolina. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a powerful street and strip machine built around a legendary big block Chevrolet combination. Under the hood is a rear Morrison 540 cubic inch engine designed to run on pump gasoline while delivering tremendous horsepower and torque. The massive power plant provides outstanding acceleration and the unmistakable sound that muscle car enthusiasts appreciate. Backing the engine is a TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a transbrake for improved launch performance. The drivetrain also includes a durable 12-bolt rear end fitted with a spool and Moser axles, creating a dependable package capable of handling substantial power. Additional equipment includes a 10-gallon fuel cell, dual battery setup, performance carburetor, and a NOS nitrous plate system for even greater performance potential. Finished in blue with a black interior, this Nova combines classic styling with serious mechanical upgrades. With approximately 10,000 miles reported, the vehicle remains an excellent choice for car shows, weekend cruising, and occasional drag strip outings. It offers a combination of reliability, power, and classic American muscle car appeal. 11. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $20,000, located Germantown, Ohio. This 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle is a solid muscle car project that already includes many desirable upgrades and performance components. Powered by a strong later model 355 cubic inch V8 engine, the car delivers impressive street performance and a deep exhaust tone. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission featuring a shift kit and a 3500 stall converter, creating a responsive and enjoyable driving experience. The rear end consists of a 10-bolt assembly equipped with 3.73 gears, jegs axles, and a C-clip elimination kit for improved durability. The vehicle also features new weld wheels and performance tires that enhance both appearance and traction. Nitrous equipment is currently installed, although it may be removed unless otherwise negotiated. The body has benefited from important restoration work including a replacement trunk pan, repaired driver's side floor section, and new carpeting. Finished in black with a blue interior, this Chevelle offers strong value for enthusiasts seeking a classic muscle car with a good foundation and plenty of performance potential for future improvements. 12. 1985 Ford Mustang LX 5.0-liter Coupe 2D. Price, $6,500, located Gilbertsville, Kentucky. This 1985 Ford Mustang LX Coupe is an outstanding performance project that offers an impressive collection of upgraded components at an attractive price. The vehicle features a clean title and has been prepared with racing performance in mind. Key chassis upgrades include welded subframe connectors, a reinforced roll cage, strange axles, strange coilovers, and an 8.8-inch rear end fitted with 3.73 gears. The drivetrain package includes a built 347 cubic inch stroker engine featuring forged SCAT internals and a Vortec V1 supercharger. Additional performance equipment consists of a high-rise intake manifold, 102mm throttle body, 80-pound injectors, MSD ignition components, and a Holley Terminator X engine management system. Power is transferred through a built C4 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake. Finished in purple with a black interior, the car also includes WRX seats, rolled fenders, and extra Mickey Thompson racing slicks. This Mustang offers exceptional potential for drag racing enthusiasts seeking a capable and affordable high-performance platform. 13. 1986 Chevrolet S10 Regular Cab Short Bed. Price, $18,500, located Cookeville, Tennessee. This 1986 Chevrolet S10 Short Bed is a fully prepared drag racing truck built with high-quality components and designed for immediate competition use. Under the hood is a powerful 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring forged internals, including a forged crankshaft and connecting rods. The engine has been specifically built to support a 250-shot nitrous system and is equipped with a progressive nitrous controller for precise power management. Fuel delivery is handled by a large 1150 Dominator carburetor, while power is transferred through a professionally built 2-speed Powerglide transmission featuring an aftermarket case and straight-cut gears. A high-performance PTC converter and Ford 9-inch rear end with Moser axles provide additional durability and strength. The truck also features ladder bar suspension, QA1 suspension components, fiberglass front body panels, aerospace brakes, and a lightweight racing-oriented setup. Included with the sale are multiple nitrous bottles, a 16-volt battery system, charger, and nearly new wheels and tires. This S10 is a proven race-ready package offering exceptional performance and value.